Hey, this is Nancy Walsh. I am over here at T Farm in Ravenel, homes that are built by Ashton Woods. And right now I'm standing in front of the Harrison, and it is a fantastic floor plan that I want to share with you. So come on inside. Welcome, welcome. You've got to use a little bit of your imagination today. We're getting ready to put up the drywall. So this room right here in the front, it can be a dining room. You can convert it into a study, or you could make it an extra guest bedroom downstairs. If you make it a guest bedroom, then this half bath right here would become a full bathroom. You have the laundry room to the left, a storage closet, and then you have this beautiful open kitchen family room space. Fireplace with these windows just makes such a grand opening. I just love this. So open. We are an electric community, so there's the electric fireplace. We still do the gourmet kitchens, even though I know some people think that gas communities have the gourmet kitchens. Nope, we have a gourmet kitchen that's electric. All right, let's go this way. Another closet. This is going to be the primary bedroom, and it is massive. There's so much space in here. Right here is the primary bathroom. You have double sinks with an extra long counter. You have a walk-in shower that will be tiled up. Commode. Another closet. The primary closet. All right, let's head upstairs. Okay, upstairs we have a loft area that is amazing because it overlooks the family room. It is so open and bright, just quite spectacular up here. We have 3 more bedrooms up here. This bedroom here, you can also customize it, personalize it, and make it a bedroom with a bathroom. That's an option. So it'd be another guest bedroom upstairs. Here is the full bath. And then 2 more bedrooms that are just amazing. They're so huge. Great closet space on both of them. Another closet. The other bedroom. This one here has a walk-in closet. Well, that sums up my tour of the Harrison. I hope you loved it. If you do, give me a call and I can schedule you a tour of our neighborhood just so you can see everything that we have available and learn about our community, other floor plans we have. Maybe this one's too big for you. Maybe it's not big enough. I've got something for everyone. So give me a call, 843-718-4285. Send me a text. Always message me on Facebook. Look forward to helping you. I'm Nancy Walsh at T Farm by Ashton Woods. Bye.